guys, welcome back. I don't really know where to start this video because we've all met at McDonald's car parks. About 3 of us met at McDonald's, and we are on our way up to the Hog's Back for my first ever drive out meet up for breakfast. I've picked up my buddy Dom, the cameraman. Say hello, Dom.
Hello, Dom.
And I've been up since like 4 o'clock. I'm very nervous / excited. I'm hoping some people turn up. If everyone turns up that says they're going to turn up, it should be about 20-25 cars there. I've got the M3 that I've had for a few days. I've been doing some filming and stuff with, so I'm going to turn up in that. Hopefully that gets a good welcome. So yeah, let's head up there and go and see if there's an empty car park or there's a few cars there. Let's see what happens. It's popping flakes. That's hilarious. Yeah, it's just a bit juicy, I think. Right, we are a couple of minutes early, but we're about to roll in to the car park. As long as I see a couple of my mates there and their Porsches, I'll be happy. Sam's gone too far. Got some Caterhams already. Oh, we've got 350Zs, 370Z even, and a Porsche. Oh, yeah, we got some stuff. Yeah, we got some stuff. We've got some stuff. Let's stick it in here. Right. Let's see what we got. Hello, mate! Oh my days! Days. This is just showing off now. It's alright, isn't it? No, look at this. This is great. Okay, if I'm honest, I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed. I've literally got 22 plate McLarens turning up. There's about 30 cars here. It's like everyone's in really good spirits. Oh my days, I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Oh mate, it's so great to catch up with new people that I've never met before, but also catch up with like mates, guys from Petra Tours. Oh mate, it's brilliant. Right, let's have a wander down the cars. Right, McLaren, whatever that is, convertible, it looks lovely. Caterham, another McLaren, Golf GTI. Andy's 981. Many, I don't think that's with us. Caterham. Got the M3 press car, very nice. A 370Z, I believe. GT3. Transit's not with us. Caterham. Another GTS. Audi TT. Got Caterham. Porsche Cayenne GTS, a remapped V6 Hamrock truck, Golf GTI, another Golf GTI, someone's going to cry, but it's a Vantage or a Vanquish, but it's lovely. Audi R8 V10 convertible, another Golf GTI, Sam's Mazda MX-5 Turbo, 911, another 911, Audi S3, another M3, beautiful. Another lovely Aston. And Rich at the end in his little 996 GT3. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. I literally can't believe it. I'm so glad I borrowed a posh car to turn up in because I'll be proper embarrassed if I was here in my little Civic right now. newcomers. Andy in this Isle of Man Green M3 Performance or GC4. Mate, wicked. Right, let's get on the road. Right, let's rock and roll. Should we get going, mate? Get that heat seat going. Heat seat, heat steering wheel. My days, it's freezing, man. There's so many people here, I can't believe it. Oh mate, that's just incredible. That's just incredible.
It's a good turnout, isn't it?
Mate, it's a really good turnout, I can't believe it. I'm feeling a bit of emotion, if I'm honest. Oh mate.
Well done.
Yeah, this is why I try not to over-publicise it.
Yeah. The car community came together.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy. I can't believe it, mate. I'm so stoked.
You got that's 720S behind.
Yeah.
Nice.
I know, just waiting for a clear.
Just after this lorry, you've got.
Yeah, I'm just looking for a big old gap. Right, that's nice. Hey, you couldn't get a better mix of cars. You literally got a GT3, really a Tesla,
or a GTI,
an Audi R8 convertible, and a Caterham.
That's mad, isn't it?
And then McLarens and a pickup truck. I love it, mate. It's literally a snake of cars.
So cool.
Good lad. Like, honestly, mate, I can't believe so many people turned up. I'm so stoked. I'm feeling a bit emotional, I'll be honest. That's so incredible. Look at all those cars.
So good.
Man. Wow. Get that seat. It's nearly there, mate. It's just well because I am absolutely busting and starving. Yeah, it's been more of a sedate drive. The trouble is, I wanted to do it early enough to beat some of the traffic, but I didn't want to do it too early that nobody turned up and went, I ain't getting out that early on a Saturday morning. But I've got a load of people here already just for breakfast.
Blowing the leaves out the way.
There's my dad. Oh yeah. All right. There's quite a lot of people here. Hello, mates. Right, I'm good, mate. I'm good. I'm gonna stick it on the grass because it's gonna be like this is four-wheel drive, so I'll park on the grass and everyone else can park where they want. Bosh.
Sweet.
Hey, look at this. That's just incredible. Wow. Hold it together, Spud. Hold it together, mate. It's just a car, mate. Wow. Oh my days. Like the M3 in the field, seeing she's four-wheel drive. Wait, look at this. Oh my days, really? Oh my days. Seriously? Oh my good grief. My days. Oh my days. There's quite a lot of people. They're literally still coming in. They're literally still coming in. Yeah, go on, loads of room, Chris. Yeah, keep going, loads of room, loads of room. Just run them over, mate. They might mark your paint a little bit, but take care, buddy. Caterhams and Porsches and a Tesla and a pickup truck and literally everything else, Ferraris and lots of people. Super stoked. Let's get that aircon going. Right, g'day success. Right, I've lost on my cameraman, but he is going to get some shots of everyone leaving, which is cool. Right, his son's been amazing, food's been amazing, company's been amazing. It's just brilliant. We'll have to find a way to get through. Okay, little sneaky bypass. Go on, Captain. Wow, that was incredible. That's just incredible. Well, I've calmed down a little bit now. I've been trying to organise this for so long. I said to a lot of the guys, I've tried to organise it well, but not over promote it. And I'm glad I didn't, because there was already so many people there, and I didn't want to have loads of people there and then have missed something out, and something gone horribly wrong because I hadn't thought about it. So just what an incredible turnout. I mean, sunshine as well, and I guess there was nothing else on. Right, it is 11:15. We're going to go and find some more roads and go to another pub, get some more coffees. Got the captain in front leading the procession. That's fine, he knows where he's going. No, he's letting me by. Good lad. See if this Porsche wants to keep up with me. Let's roll into the second meet. There's a few people that have ducked off on the way. I think the sun's come out, they realise they've got to go home and mow the lawns and wash the car. But I think we've still got about 20 cars. Don't know, I can see a bit of a queue behind us. But yeah, hopefully we'll all fit in this car park. It's a smaller car park, but yeah, it's empty. Cheers, mates. Like PG boys are already. Oh, come on, don't be like that. Carefully reverse into the fence. Proper. Lovely, lovely. Porsche boys have got here early. Raided the coffee machine. Lots of Golf GTIs. And why not? Good bit of kit. Look at these boys getting the money shots. Look at it. What's she looking like? Cheers, mates. Lovely. Right, there's only a handful of people left, so I'm going to end the video there. Also, whoever's left, I'm going to take them for a quick rip up the road in the M3, do a few passenger rides. Thank you ever so much for watching. Thank you to everyone that's turned up. Thank you to everyone that's come and turned up, said hello. Hope everyone that came on the run enjoyed it. If you're watching this and you weren't on the drive, keep an eye out on the socials for some more, because this has been really well received. Subscribe if you haven't, hit the like, leave a comment, and see you on the next one. I've got M1 set to noisy mode. Preparing, ready, go. Preparing, ready.
I got my heart going. No, I can't take it. You're going to kill me. It does sound quite nice.
Gonna be picking
Actually,
my
pick your nose first, yeah, everyone does that, yeah. Pick your nose. So I'll definitely chop that out.
So mine's shot for this.
You are, mate.
I need to make it look like I'm.
Definitely don't do that. Oh, hello, am I on the telly?